Why can't I get this right? I suck at this thing called introduction. It's Treasure, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show you guys my nighttime skin routine, and it's gonna be great because it leaves your skin feeling soft and it makes it clear and beautiful and glowy, and I hope that it works for you because it works for me. And with that, we're gonna get right into the video. That is who I am, yeah. Start by putting my hair up. I don't know how to take it down, but it's going back up. And don't mind the lighting. I'm in my bathroom and it's terrible. The lighting in here is terrible. We're just gonna do that and flop that up in a bun. And we're set to go. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse the water. Got my washcloth. Why couldn't I think of that? The world may never know. Several different face washes that I use just depending on the day and what I'm doing. And because I don't have makeup on today, I'm just gonna go in with the Good and Clean by Alba Botanica Daily Detox Foaming Cleanser. And I actually just got this one, so I'm still testing the waters, but so far it's been really good for my skin. It's for sensitive skin and silky, makes my skin feel really nice. So we're just gonna do this. I'm just gonna get my face wet. If I had makeup on, I would use a makeup wipe and then go in after that, but I'm just gonna get my face wet a little bit, and then we're just gonna put some on my hands like that. Sorry, it's not in focus. Then we're just gonna go like this. And it's gonna be great. Now, I don't have a facial cleanser, but if you do, not a facial cleanser, like a facial brush, if you do, awesome, use that. I had one, it's just not good anymore.
This cut is fresh.
Turn the water back on and we're gonna rinse. And then we're just gonna rinse. You can rinse with one of these if you want, or you can just like that. It doesn't really matter.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on, if you can't say anything real nice.
Alright, so then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put some hot water on it. And warm it back up. Bring it out. I'm so extra. We're gonna take it. We're just gonna plop it there. Open up those pores. You can put this in the microwave and heat it up if you like it warmer. I'm not gonna do that today. I gotta go to bed. Ready? Boom. A nice dry clean one and pat dry. There's something on my eyeball. Whoa. Okay. Yay. I'm gonna go in with the serum you're supposed to use before you moisturize. Coconut from Pearl Essence. So I'm just gonna take this. It's a little dropper. And then you just rub it in. Rub it over your eyes. It smells really good. Woo! Okay, next. After that, I'm gonna go in with my rose water. It's very hydrating and it feels really nice, and it's like a refresher, especially in the morning time when I'm just waking up. And then after that, while my skin is a little damp, I'm going to take my moisturizer, and this is a reviving night cream. But this stuff makes my skin baby soft, honey. Baby soft. You probably don't need that much. Woo! Guess what? We're done. And it's lit. And it's awesome. And it's fantastic. We're just having a jolly good time, okay? Right? Right? Yeah. Oh, this light is irritating me. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I want to give you, like, quality videos. But everything can't go my way. So we gotta work with what we have, right? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you like this video and like videos like this, you can comment down below and let us know. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace and hair grease, y'all!